What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be working on the 335i, replacing some rear taillights. Let's get it. As I mentioned, this is a 335i coupe, and this particular taillight I believe is called the pre-LCI. So this is the before the facelift on the updates on this platform. This specific car is in 2008. While I do like the taillights on these, but they have seen better days. It's kind of getting rough. There's some small cracks that goes all the way across, especially on the white section of the taillight. You can see the same thing here. That's supposed to be for the reverse, and then on the other side you can see the same thing. It's pretty rough, messed up, scratches, cracks, and there's holes. So hopefully you can see in the camera, but this taillight have seen better days, and it's time for a facelift. So this is the new taillight. As you can see, it's pretty clean. These taillights I think will look really awesome. Notice they pretty much have everything identical to the old, except this. They have these right here. I'm thinking it's for, because I believe this is LED, this part specifically. So they have all the components for the car to, you know, correspond properly when it comes to all the LEDs and stuff like that. But this car, like most German cars, when it comes to, if you put an LED bulb somewhere where it doesn't belong, that might be a little issue, but it's like a light error. So it'll pop it up because it's not getting the right amount of voltage. So it will trip on that. So I'm guessing this right here helps regulate that, so it could actually give trick the computer thinking that, you know, all your lights are working, all your lights are good. Overall, the quality of these taillights, they look pretty nice. They're really clean. Like I said, they pretty much have everything pre-installed, so all you gotta do is just some plug and play. And before we start, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for your guys' support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. And if there's anything relating to these new tail lights, hit a comment below. I'll definitely leave a link down there for you guys if you want to try it out for your 335 coupe. I just want to mention too, lastly, these are only for E92 setup. So this is not for E93, which is the convertibles. Yeah, so they're the convertibles, but apparently those are different set of tail lights. So we're going to start with the outer section of the tail light. So we're going to start with this side over here and that side over here. So we're going to open this up, and we're going to access from here, and this from the back. So you have to remove this cover right here. This is also the cover for your battery. And as you can see, if you look back here, that's behind the tail light. So that's what we're going to go ahead and remove. And on the other side, it's a little bit similar. This panel or this cover right here, yank it out, pops right out. So on this side, it looks like it's just 3, 1, 2, and 3 all the way back there. It should be the same on the other side. There we go. Hopefully I didn't break anything important. So this is the old one, and it is filthy. Inside of this is filthy, and I want to go ahead and clean this up before I put the new one in. So we got both sides out, clean it as best as I can, and we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in. The new one is installed, and already it looks pretty good. When it comes to fitment, I don't know, because believe it or not, it looks the same compared to the old one, because the old one, the fitment was off. It's an older car, so whatever happened to this car is whatever happened. But I noticed there's a gap up here, but it's pretty sealed down here. Down here is pretty good, all the way up here until you reach up here. So Mike can make some changes. Like I mentioned before, there's a whole bunch of stuff here, and I'm assuming it's because it has an LED setup. They have these with double-side stickers right here, so you can install it somewhere you would like, or it has a hole right here, so if you want to mount it somewhere, you could also do that, maybe through an existing bracket or something like that. Before I finish up, I just want to show you the difference between the old and the new, just kind of have a direct comparison. As you can see up here, look like LEDs up here, and down here there's no LEDs at all. So Even the design was a little bit different. So this is more of a this is an LCI design, where you can see down here it's not. So everything is different, even down to the corners, as you can see here, and then here, everything is different. So I guess you don't need to remove the whole thing. Good. So all you need to remove is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of these you need to remove to get access to the center taillights. So it looks like this also, oh, this is a 10, so this will be a 10 millimeter. Right, there you go. I guess you just need a little push. And get that out. And then there's a connector right there. So disconnect, put the new one in, and do everything back in reverse. All right, so finally got everything done. Everything is hooked back together. Middle was super easy, but let's see how it looks. It's gonna be our first time. Oh man, that looks so good. It looks so clean. Look at the huge difference, man. Oh man, I'm super happy with this. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.